This is GOP Carter. GOP Carter won't talk to me, won't open her mouth. Since 2008, GOP Carter participated in my kidnapping in 2011. Silence is consent. You can't claim to be this leader for justice and silent when justice is called upon you. All right? If you deny you know me on earth, you can deny you know me in heaven. That's me. Shorties. That's Scott Shellenberger, 2014. All right? That's the Department of Justice. All evidence submitted to you and members of your department. That's my Department of Justice ID number. You left me in jail. Right here. All right? Spring Grove Medical Facility. Parole and probation, Linda Dodge. I came to GOP Carter in 2009, 2010. Christopher Williams worked for you. All right? Nicole Munder was your assistant. Karen York was working for Kurt Anderson. I gave you this information too. Dee Shortman at AOL.com. That's the Chicago FBI. See who that is? GOP Carter had this. All right? GOP Carter had this. I own Shorties. I'm a owner. I'm a business owner. I own all parts of me. You feel me? I'm a free black man. I was making a movie about the Democratic Party. 14% drug users and 50% incarcerated. All right? 14% drug users and 50% incarcerated. I gave GOP Carter this, and GOP Carter is a lawyer. Whoever having knowledge of actual commission of a felony, cognizable by a court. You're a lawyer and a representative, and you ain't open your mouth about this. You let them kidnap me. That's Judge Cox, grand jury request. All right, grand jury request about Scott Shellenberger, Baltimore Police Department, Elijah Cummings, Kathleen Pugh. You see that? These are the people that were in the email. You was in the email too. These are rules of the Supreme Court. I'm a whistleblower. I blew the whistle in 2011. Forged checks, Shorty's Pit Beef, March 2008. That's Cal Ripken. That's how long I've been doing this toilet. It's making a movie about the Democratic Party, Gov.O'Malley's mom machine. Get Shorty. That's 2006. It's a learning moment. I own Shorties. I'm the chairman, the president, the treasurer, and the secretary. That's me. And that toilet represented the Democratic Party. GOP Carter, Mayor Pugh, Senator Pugh, Muse, all of y'all. It was what it was. Y'all want to protect white supremacy in Baltimore County. Baltimore City's under the dissent decree. Baltimore County ain't. That shows you right here. Arts and promotion. New York, Philadelphia, Chicago, and Baltimore. AKA Shorty. I was making a movie. That's the Legislative Black Caucus. And that's GOP Carter down there. That's 2008, 2009. You claim to be a champion for justice, but you won't open your mouth when I come around. You won't open your mouth when I come around. I'm up all night. I be at these events. I'm the cook in Baltimore. That's 2009. Mr. Humphreys, Mr. McGee. Parole and probation. That's me. I was kidnapped by the state because I was making a documentary about the war on drugs, your prison industry. That's 2019. That's Johnny Oleski asking for the Department of Justice to investigate my case. I'm a prisoner's right advocate. All right? And GOP Carter, it's time for you to investigate that case. That's TV One, Radio One. Kathleen Hughes. All right? That's Shorty. And that's the 13th Amendment. That's Congressman Cummings' office, the 13th Amendment. All right? President Trump. President Trump. That's Elijah Cummings' office. And that's the date that I went there. 2019. I'm a prisoner's right advocate. And you got to protect my rights. That's the state of Maryland, 2020. See who it is? Dwayne, Shorty's Bootleg Barbecue. See the toilet in Washington, D.C.? That's Shorty's Barbecue, 2007. I put your request in when I went to buy a sandwich 10 days ago, and closed the Sundance Film Festival's request from 2019. That's 2007. In regards to your documentary, I would not be able to appear. That's Senator Hardin's, 2007. Where was you at in 2007? Because I told the Democratic Party I was making a movie. The movie's about the Democratic Party and the money you make behind the war on drugs. Rules of the Supreme Court. You feel me? Rules of the Supreme Court. You want to protect white supremacy? Go ahead and protect it, because I filed charges. You blew the whistle on Mayor Pugh about some books. What you going to do about Gov.O'Malley and this mob machine? What you going to do about those 52 Democrats? Crime and justice. You got to practice what you preach. You got to practice what you preach. You and Ben Jealous got to do that. That's Dwayne G. Davis. And that's Chief Justice Roberts of the Supreme Court. This is a follow-up letter enclosed as my 2010 elections, my whistleblowers report from 2010. You blew the whistle on Pew, now I'm blowing the whistle on you. NAACP got that. Eric Holder, ACLU, President Obama. That means that Ben Jealous and GOP Carter have been standing together. I'm a whistleblower. You feel me? I'm a whistleblower. And I've been blowing the whistle since 2010. And y'all ain't opened up your mouth. I blew the whistle on Scott Shellenberger. That's the Department of Justice. And that's GOP Carter. All right? Whistleblower. Whistleblower. Yeah. I'm a whistleblower, and that's Scott Shellenberger. That's what my criminal charges. These are my criminal charges. That's page 2 of 4. That's page 3 of 4. That's page 4 of 4. And the state's attorney got that in 2021. Y'all want to protect Governor O'Malley and his mob machine? Well, give me the same whistleblower's protection that y'all gave Mayor Pugh. The same thing you did to Mayor Pugh, I'm going to do to you. I'm blowing the whistle on the Democratic Party, the money you make off black bodies.